How do you work out exactly what your boundaries are? Hi, I'm Caroline from Ninth Koi Coaching. I help people who are in between stories in their lives discover their authentic selves and move on to the next chapter with confidence and strength in knowing their personal worth. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the best way to figure out exactly what your personal boundaries are. So first of all, what I want you to do is think about your life experiences. What's happening to you at the moment or what's happened to you in the past. And I want you to think about what you're uncomfortable with or what you're not okay with. I want you to write down the behaviour that's not okay. An example of this might be, I'm not okay with being yelled at in a conversation. So next I want you to write down the behaviour that is okay. And keeping this example, it might be, I am okay with calm conversations. Thirdly, we're going to write down the need that we're trying to fulfill. For this example, it could be personal safety, emotional well-being, or having your voice heard. So now I want you to write down the boundary in a single sentence, a very simple one, based on you and your response to behaviour. So an example would be, I will not engage in conversations where someone raises their voice at me. And that is exactly how you work out what your boundaries are. If you'd like to take personal boundaries to the next level, you can download my Boundaries for Beginners workbook. I'll pop the link in the comments for you. Drop any questions or comments you have, and I'll get right back to you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tips.